Breaking news mga idol, nakatapos lang ng laban ni Wiljon Mindoro, the Triggerman, at panalo ito via round 1 knockout. Talaga namang hindi pinagbigyan ng awa ni Kabayan ang Meksikano dahil binomba kaagad nito ng malalakas na suntok ang kanyang kalaban. Agad namang pong umabante ang ring record nito sa 14 wins at 14 knockout at napakaganda po ng boxing career ngayon, Kabayan. Congratulations pala at talagang may pag-asa ito maging world champion sa future.
Oh, and look at that uppercut! Down goes Munguia. He is severely hurt. He's not going to beat the count. That is it. Wow, a knockout in the first round for Wiljon Mindoro.
He's still out of it.
Kabilang banda naman mga idol, lahat po ng Pinoy na lumaban sa Japan kahapon ay natalo. 4 po sila at ang 3 ay na-knockout. Isa lang po ang nakasurvive ng UD. Kaya naman, bounce back na lang tayo sa susunod na mga laban sa Japan at magpakalakas ang mga boksingerong Pinoy.
Boxing attacks happen. I can see anything. I can see everything. I'm sorry. If your opponent is holding your arm, don't wait for me. Boom, 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 boom. All right?
Yes.
You have any questions?
Yes.
Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
What's on the rock? What's on check?
Yung pangatlong bout ata. Pangatlong bout.
Come on, John. Give me a hand.
Hey coach, shout out.
What's up? What's up?
Shout out. Shout out coach.
We can go over here. We can go over here. We can go over here.
Hand drops na tayo.
Whenever you're ready, boss. All right.
Maaga dyan, baka mga alas 6 nandyan na, alas 6 or alas 6 or 5 dyan. Kasi mag-umpisa na eh. Pangatlong bout ako. Pangatlong bout. Shout out sa 94 viewers.
Oh, take a picture first and look at it.
And then cut it and find those laminated. Cut it until he gets a new one.
Okay, all right.
Yes, drop like that. Alright, coach.